Hello everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. I post videos about planners and organization. I post videos about plus size fashion. I'm a UK size 16 on a good day. I post videos which are B&M hauls, Home Bargain, Primark, those kinds of stores. I like shopping there and I film try-on hauls and all those things. So if you are interested in that, it would be great if you subscribe to my channel. You just click the subscribe button under this video. So you are here because you want to watch my B&M haul. This is a few trips to B&M, not just one, but I'm going to show you cleaning products, storage products, and yeah, a few bits and bobs. And there are two things I got from Home Bargains which I have added in this video. I'm going to leave them for last. So let's start with the two big items. So I am partially sighted and it's difficult for me to mop because I can't see well where I'm mopping and all that. So I wanted to get a different mop, and I got one of the mops from B&M where you put water here, and then it's called a spray mop, and it has this, what do you call this? This kind of spongy bit here. So this is the, so let's see what it says. It's a spray mop. It's the brand Addis, and the mop you can use without a bucket. No fuss, ultra fast, all in one. It picks up 50% more dirt and dust than a regular stand mop. So you can use it on wood, vinyl and tiled floors. You just add water, you add your cleaning solution. I wanted a mop that didn't require, sorry, I wasn't looking at you. I wanted a mop that didn't require using a specific liquid. And then you just squeeze the trigger and spray. And this was, I think it was £12 or 14. You can wash the sponge, which was another thing I wanted to do, to be able to do. So I'm taking off my glasses because it's harder for me to read when I'm wearing glasses, and because I'm partially sighted, I can't get reading glasses because they're not working. Anyway, you don't want to hear that story. So yeah, twice as fast. I'm gonna try this. I'll let you know what I think. I'm excited about a mop because that's what 2020 is like. You get excited about buying a mop. So let's continue. The other thing I was excited about was buying a telescopic noodle duster. So this will be great for, you know, lights at the top of on the ceiling and, you know, the wall and all those kinds of things. So I'm really happy. It extends up to 96 centimeters. You can wash the head, which is great. So I can clean, use my mop, use this, and then wash everything. Woohoo! So now let's move on to the cleaning products. Sorry, I have a squeaky chair. So I got the Fabuloso Disinfectant. It's a blast can. It's an air freshener and a sanitizer. You can use it home, vehicle, clothing, fabric. It's very concentrated. It smells a lot. This one, which is called Opulence, it's also an odor remover, smells like vanilla. We sprayed it, but you spray a little bit and it smells a lot. So I got that cleaning product. The other thing I got was a small disinfectant spray, again Fabuloso, again Opulence. So this is a mini one because I like spraying shopping bags and things like that, because you know when you go shopping and everything has all these germs, I spray the inside. I got that tip from a friend. Then I got a foam freshener for the carpet. This is called Tranquil Haze. I see flowers. I'm hoping it's a floral one. It smells nice. So I got that. I got a second carpet freshener, which is my partner's favorite scent, the wild rhubarb. So that is the the carpet spray foam freshener. I apply this. If you've never used this before, I just started using them. You just spray these on your carpets after you've hoovered and they smell really nice. So that's what I got. And I use this in my bathroom, the Febreze bathroom air freshener. It's 2-in-1. It eliminates and prevents odors. It's for 45 days. I got the Blossom and Breeze. These smell really nice, and they actually do smell. So they do last, which is great. And finally, I got a really, really nice, so this is what I'm going to use in my mop. I got the Fabulosa Disinfectant. This is called Rainbow Drops. It's 4-in-1 action. I think you just use a little bit of this. This smells really, really nice. This smells like a blackberry cordial or something like that, an apple cordial. It smells really, really nice. It's got a fruity scent. So those are the cleaning products I got. Let's move on to random and storage products. So I'm going to pause because I'm really bad at editing. Okay, so storage boxes. I got, oh, this one is from Wilko's. Anyway, I got this storage box from Wilko's, and I think I'm going to use this because I'm trying to organize my kitchen cupboards. So I think this is going to go in the food cupboard and just see what I'm going to put in here. Probably like flour and things like that, like little things you use to cook, to make bread or whatever. I'll see. Then this is from B&M. This is a stocking little storage box. So what I liked about this is that you have the storage box, but it comes with a lid. And I want to put this in the bathroom and put all my, hang on, I'll show you how it shuts. So you put that lid on, hang on. Let's just put that on, there you go. So it secures, it closes safely. So I'm going to put this in the bathroom. I want to put in my flannels, you know, what I use to take off my makeup and stuff, because I usually have them in an open basket, but they get lots of dust and stuff. So I thought that this one is better for that. It's not completely closed, so it's still going to be okay, nice and airy in there, but I thought it would be good to cover up. So I really like this basket. I think this was about like £2. And again, this is for my pan and pots or something like that. This is a tray organizer. So it's this big. And this one was £2.50 from B&M. And I'm really going to put, like, I don't know, things that I put in the cupboard. I have all my pots and pans. So that's what I'm going to use there. Now over to some more random things. So the other day we were making dinner and I didn't notice that I turned on the wrong hob, so I set fire to my partner's kitchen oven glove. So I bought him a new one, and it's got bees. I love anything with bees. I don't know, I just really like them. And this is a double kitchen oven glove. It's $3.99, and you get a big bee there. So that's for my partner because I almost set fire to his house. I also got some microwave egg poucher. I'm going to use this probably tomorrow. This is £2. I've never used these. So what do? This microwave safe strain resistant poacher makes perfect poached eggs. I'm going to try it. I'll let you know. Have you used this? How does it work? Is it any good, or did I just make a mistake? Then, I think I made a mistake here. I bought some 4 stackable measuring spoons, which are heat resistant up to 90%. You can dishwash them. They are $1.50, and they are, sizes include, these are the different sizes of the spoons, and you see how many mLs are in it. So I'm going to use this. I don't have one, but I think this is more for cup measurements, which I don't have either, but I'm not sure. I'm going to try and see. I'll let you know. And then I'm going to show you one more thing I got from B&M, and then 2 things I got from Home Bargains, but they are the same thing. So I got, oops, sorry, they're over here. Hang on, let me just bring them closer to me. I got candles. So I got this Cotton Fresh candle from B&M, And I just like things that smell like linen and all that. So it's a small little candle. I think this was £1. Yeah, and it smells nice and clean. I haven't tried this, so I don't know if the scent lasts. So that's the last thing I'm showing you from B&M. Now, from Home Bargains, I got candles again. Now, these smell and they last and they make your home smell as well. It's not like a candle that you light and doesn't smell. These smell, they're really good. They're $2.99, and I got crisp, cotton and peony, and this one smells, I love rose scents. This one smells really, really nice. It smells like powder, so really nice. I didn't smell them there because I was wearing a mask, so this I'm pleased with. I also got another big candle, $2.99 again. This is sugared peony petals. Now, this smells like candy, rose scented candy, I guess. It smells nice. I haven't burnt them. I've burnt a fig one and it smelled really, really nice. So for $2.99 for these big candles, I'm really happy. I just need to stop getting paranoid when I light them and make sure that I remember that I've blown them out. So these are all the things I got from B&M. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I filmed other B&M hauls. I'll link them in this video somewhere, or to, well, now. And I'll see you in my next video maybe. Give this video a thumbs up so then I might pop up in your YouTube search. I am at My Pink Rambles on Twitter and Instagram. I also have a blog called My Pink Rambles. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Yasas. Bye.